One, go! Party!
So this is my first cyclocross race in Georgetown, Texas. Georgetown is north of Austin. I went for a weekend. Saturday was the Red Bull Last Stand, Criterium around the Alamo. It was awesome. These guys were going, I think, average 32 mphs. And they did about 14 or 40 laps, man. That is fast. And I was out there with my camera taking pictures. I got some good shots. I'll probably post those shots in these, put the shots in the video. Just let you guys see the shots I took. So after the Red Bull Last Stand on Saturday, I went to Georgetown. It's just north of Austin for a cyclocross race. It was actually my first race ever, really, with cyclocross. I've never even actually done a road race. I'm really just getting into all this cycling. So I just purchased some Scott shoes, cyclocross shoes, and my girlfriend, she had a bike already. She's getting into cyclocross as well, so I used her bike. We're about the same size. And so when I did this race, it really opened my eyes to how, I guess, unfit I am with cycling right now. I'm not even training well. Now I'm training more and more with purpose and consistency. But before this race, I was not. I was just, going to, the couple week group rides, putting in, probably average 30 miles a week, which is nothing. I went to this cyclocross race and all these, I don't want to say the place, but it's last. Yeah, just because of the reason I fell during one of the last laps, and you'll see it here in the video. The reason why I believe I fell was because I was getting so tired towards the end. I didn't really have too much stamina and power to get over this this obstacle. It was a small little hill with a turn, and I just couldn't crank it out, and I tipped over and rolled over. So after this race, I came back and I said, I need to train. I started looking up workouts, preseason training tips. I got into yoga just so I can have more mobility in my lower back and my hamstrings, because I'm pretty tight there, and when I'm down in the saddle for long periods of time, it gets uncomfortable for me on my lower back especially. It could be the fit, because I have never been properly fitted, but I will once my bike is done. Tips that I picked up that with reading is for the preseason, weightlifting 3 times a week. I'm doing some yoga on my days off, so that's about 3 times a week as well. I'm cycling at home now, so when I get home, I put in an hour on the trainer. So this is all preseason stuff. I'm just getting ready for the road race season. I'm gonna start really getting into it in November. This right now is just kind of prepping myself. In November, I'm really gonna get into it, and I'm probably I went to trainingpeaks.com. I'm probably gonna purchase a workout plan for preseason training, and I'll fill you guys in on that. Little update with my bike. I'm gonna purchase some custom wheels by Knox Composite. One of my fellow riders that I ride with, that I met through cycling, he's helping me out actually with the custom wheels, just on what to get. I'm going with some Falcor 36D wheels with Chris King hubs. They're going to come in about $1,900. I can't wait to get them when they do come in, when I do order them. It should be in a couple weeks. Right now I'm just holding off because they are expensive. So this is the end of my podcast. If you want to hit that like button if you like this video, that subscribe button if you want to see more and you like our videos, and comment down below if you want to have a discussion. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video.